How sleeping on your left side affects your health. The position in which we sleep significantly affects our overall health, and a bad sleeping position can be the cause of heartburn, poor circulation, fatigue, muscle cramps, premature wrinkles, stomach issues, headaches, back and neck pain, sleep apnea. Yet, it has been found that sleeping on the side prevents such issues and reduces the likelihood of interrupted sleep. Here are some benefits of this sleeping position. Prevent nighttime heartburn. While sleeping on the left side, the stomach is below the cardiac sphincter, which links the esophagus to the stomach, and this prevents heartburn, preventing the contents in the stomach to flow back into the esophagus. Improves drainage of the lymphatic system. The role of the lymphatic system is to get rid of the impurities and toxins from the body, and sleeping on the left side helps it to better drain into the thoracic duct placed on the left side, and thus accelerate the process. Normal heart function. When we sleep on the left side, the heart easily pumps blood towards the body. Moreover, gravity also helps. Prevents liver congestion. The liver can often become overburdened, and sleeping on the left side can neutralize the toxins before they are eliminated or accumulated in the liver. Improves spleen function. This sleeping position also boosts the function of the spleen, which is located on the left side of the body. Boosts the function of the gut. Sleeping in this position aids the transfer of waste from the small and large intestine and allows gravity to help regular bowel movements. Beneficial for pregnant women. Sleeping on the left side can be highly beneficial, especially in the least trimester, as it boosts blood circulation and helps the function of the liver. You may discover it a bit difficult to obtain utilized to sleeping on the left side in the beginning, however after a while, you will begin feeling the various advantages and it will become your typical sleeping position.